Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is November 27th, and they are good up until Saturday, December 3rd. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, so in this transaction, I used a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50, and I also paired that with the paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. So everything that you see here ended up being completely free for me, plus a $1.15 moneymaker. So now let's go ahead and get right into the deals. So first up, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Arm & Hammer liquid detergents. This is the 36.5 ounce. And this week, they are priced at Walgreens for just $1.99. No coupons or anything, but they are $1.99, which is a really good price. So I went ahead and I purchased 3 of those. And then next up, I purchased 2 of the Airwick 2-pack refills, and these are priced at Walgreens for $5.49. I purchased 2, so $5.49 times 2 is $10.98. I had a buy one get one free digital coupon on my Walgreens account, and so that coupon took off a total of $6.50. So $10.98 minus the $6.50 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $4.48. And then IBOTTA has a rebate for $1.50. The limit is 5, but I only purchased 2. So I got back $1.50 times 2, which is $3. So $4.48 minus the $3 from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to just $1.48 for both, or it made each one 74 cents. And then I went ahead and I picked up 2 of these Oral-B toothbrushes, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3. I purchased 2. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $3 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $6. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $6 minus that $3 digital coupon, that'll bring your total down to just $3. And then you will receive back this $3 registry reward, making both toothbrushes completely free. And then next up, I grabbed a Colgate toothbrush and then also a Colgate toothpaste. Both of these items are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $4 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste, and then we also have a $2 digital coupon for the Colgate toothbrush. So that's a total of $4 in digital coupons. So $7.98 minus the $4 in digital coupons, that'll bring your total down to $3.98. And you will receive back this $4 registry reward for purchasing 2, making your grand total completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then I also grabbed this Snuggle Exhilarations. This is the 32 ounce. That is priced at Walgreens for $3.99. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing your total down to just $2.99. And then I grabbed this Done Easy Squeeze. This is priced at Walgreens for $3.99. I was actually going to purchase the Done Power Wash, but my store didn't have it, so I had to, improvise. So I decided to go ahead and grab this Done. No coupons for that, but it is priced at $3.99. And then right here, I grabbed the Finish Jet Dry, and this is priced at Walgreens for $4.99. We do have a $1.50 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $4.99 minus the $1.50 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $3.49. And then IBOTTA has a rebate for $1.25 back, bringing your total down to just $2.24. Now, I wasn't going to grab the Jet Dry. I was going to grab the Finish dishwasher pods, but my store was out of the ones that I wanted. IBOTTA would have given me back $1.50 instead of $1.25, but it's okay because I could still use some of this in my stockpile too. So $2.24 for the Finish Jet Dry. And then lastly, I went ahead and I purchased 2 of the Irish Spring body washes. And so those are priced at Walgreens this week for $4.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $5 registry reward. So you're going to purchase 2 at $4.99, and that's going to bring your total to $9.98. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9.98 minus that $2 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $7.98. And then you will receive back this $5 registry reward, bringing your total down to just $2.98 for both, or it'll make each one $1.49. Now, I had a 75-cent coupon, you guys, and I forgot to use it. Let me go ahead and grab it out of my wallet right quick. And I was so mad when I got in the car because I'm like, dang it, I didn't get a chance to use this coupon. But if you go to the Soft Soap website, you can print off this 75-cent coupon right here, you guys. So you'll pay $9.98 for both, and then you will use that $2 digital coupon, this $75 digital coupon for your second body wash. That'll bring your total down to $7.23. You'll receive that $5 registry reward. That'll bring your total down to $2.23, or it'll make each bottle just $1.11. So go to the Soft Soap website and print this off if you plan to get some of the Irish Spring. So that is everything that I grabbed in this transaction. So now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there are all 3 of my Arm & Hammer at $1.99, so $5.97. Both of my Airwick at $5.49, so $10.98. Both of my Oral-B toothbrushes at $3, so $6 total. My Colgate toothpaste at $3.99. My Colgate toothbrush at $3.99. Snuggle $3.99. Done $3.99. Jet Dry $4.99. And both of my Irish Springs at $4.99, so $9.98 total. Right here where it says point coupon purchase, that is my paper spin booster that I had. Get $9 when you spend $40. On this transaction, I also used 3 registry rewards. I used 1 $5 registry reward and then 2 $3 registry rewards. There's my $3 for the Oral-B, $2 for Colgate toothpaste, $2 for Colgate toothbrush, $2 for the Irish Spring, $1.50 for the Finish Jet Dry, and then the $6.50 for both of my Airwicks. The only digital coupon that didn't come off for me was my $1 for the Snuggle, but that's okay because I contacted customer service and they did go ahead and credit that $1 to my account. So my subtotal was $25.88, but of course I have to add back in that $11 that I used in registry rewards. So $25.88 plus that $11 in registry rewards, my subtotal was actually $36.88. And then when you look right here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $19.53. So $36.88 minus the $19.53 that I got back in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $17.35. Of that $19.53, $10 came from my digital booster, get $10 when you spend $50. $9 came from my paper booster, get $9 when you spend $40. And then the 53 cents came from the Walgreens everyday points. So $17.35, and then I received back my $12 in registry rewards, my $3 for the Oral-B, my $4 for the Colgate, and then my $5 for the Irish Spring. That's a total of $12. So $17.35 minus the $12 in registry rewards, that brought my total down to $5.35. And then I did contact customer service about my $1 Snuggle coupon not coming off. So they did credit my account with that $1. So $5.35 minus that $1 from customer service, that brought my total down to $4.35. Then I got back a total of $5.25 from IBOTTA. I got back $3 for both of the Airwick, $1.25 from the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid, and then I also hit a Finish bonus of $1. So that's a total of $5.25 that I got back from IBOTTA. After receiving that made this transaction completely free, plus a 90-cent moneymaker. But then I submitted my receipt over to Fetch Rewards, and I did receive back 254 points, which is 25 cents. So I'm going to add that 25 cents into this transaction because savings is savings. So with me adding that 25 cents into this transaction, that made this transaction a moneymaker of $1.15. So this was a really great transaction at Walgreens today. I have absolutely no complaints, although I forgot to scan my 75-cent Irish Spring coupon, but that's okay because the transaction is still free plus a moneymaker. So that is going to be it for this transaction, you guys. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all are getting from Walgreens this week. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, if you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys, and I will see you all in my next one.